What is going on, guys? This is Mr. Ryan's Tutoring here, and I am back with another video. And in today's video we are going to be discussing square numbers. So while you guys enjoy this amazing view here, I am going to explain what a square number is. Now, a square number is simply the answer to a question when you times the same number by itself. So for example, if you do 2 times 2, you get 4, and 4 is the square number. Another example might be 6 times 6, which equals 36, and 36 will be the square number. So on the screen in front of you, Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to be putting some square numbers on the screen. So here's a few examples. So we've got 1 times 1, which equals 1. 2 times 2, which equals 4. 3 times 3, which equals 9. 4 times 4, which equals 16. 5 times 5, which equals 25. 6 times 6, which equals 36. 7 times 7, which equals 49. 8 times 8, which equals 64. 9 times 9, which equals 81. And 10 times 10, which equals, you guessed it, 100. Now we could keep going forever and ever and ever, but the idea is to show you that all of the answers to these questions are the square numbers. Often people say that the 8 for example would be the square number, but it's not. In fact, it is the answer to the questions that make them square numbers. I hope that makes sense. And now I'm going to give you a little quiz. So on the screen in front of you, I'm going to put 4 calculations up, which are the following: 5 times 5, which equals 25. 6 times 4, which equals 24. 12 times 12, which equals 144. And then last but not least, 10 times 2, which equals 20. Now all I want you to do is I want you to tell me which calculations have square numbers in them. And I'll give you a clue, there's 2 options. Now, if you have been paying attention, you would have selected 5 times 5 and 12 times 12. Because when you times the 2 numbers together, 5 and 5, you get 25. That is a square number. And then when you do 12 times 12, you get 144, which is also a square number, because the 2 numbers that we're tying together are exactly the same. The other 2 calculations, that is not the case. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video on square numbers. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.